Now students, are you ready? The first question, who is the poet of the poem Fire and Ice? Who is the poet of the poem Fire and Ice? Question 2, the first line of the poem I have quoted within inverted comma, some say the world will end in fire. Some say the world will end in fire, inverted comma close. What does this line mean? Question 3. Give the synonym of suffice. S-U-F-F-I-C-E. Give the synonym of suffice. S-U-F-F-I-C-E. Question 4. In the poem, fire symbolizes what aspect of man? In the poem, fire symbolizes what aspect of man? Question 5. Why ice is more dangerous than fire? Why ice, I-C-E, ice is more dangerous than fire? Okay guys, this much for the day. Answer all these questions. Next time, once again, I will be with you within short span of time. I will be with you once again. Till then, stay safe, stay home. God bless you. Bye-bye.